Okay, hello and welcome, and next I'd like to show you that where is this Toyota Camry's oxygen sensor in this exhaust pipe system. And now we are in below of this car, and there we can see this front left tire, and here we have this exhaust pipe, and just when we look in this front area, there is this engine, there is engine block in here, and there is oil bolt just in here. And then when we look in here, there is this exhaust pipe, and here is this sensor, oxygen sensor. And there is two bolts what we need to open, and this bolt size is, I believe that it's 12 mm. Okay, and next I need to take out this. There is this sensor, this exhaust sensor area, and I need to take this cable out. And there is this cable connector, and there is idea that when there is this cable, and here is this cable, and I need to press this area in here, that area, and then we hear this click, and then I can move that a little bit in this way. And now sensor open, and there is this idea that in that side there is this clipper what we need to press in that area, and also in other side. Okay, and now this cable is released, and then I take this oxygen sensor cable in here, and this sensor goes in only one way back. There is this Toyota's movement. Okay, and this was good, and this sensor's location is there is catalyzer, and there is this first those mounting bolts in this exhaust pipe. Okay, good. And this sensor, oxygen sensor, is part of this Toyota Camry's exhaust pipe system. And here is this exhaust pipe start area what is in connection in this exhaust manifold. And then when we look in here, this in forward, there is this sensor, this oxygen sensor, and after that we have there this catalyzer, and then when we go in forward, there is this first exhaust bigger pipe, and there is this final part in there. Okay, and now we go back in this sensor area, and here is the sensor, and what we need that we can replace that part. First we need to take that connection wire out in this engine area, and there is idea that we need to press these sides and then pull out this wire, and then it's released. And then there is two bolts, and we need then this 12 mm socket what fits in these bolts. And then I open these bolts, and there is first bolt goes away, and then I open this next one, and I need to take this. There is this bolt. Okay, and then second, and if you have any issues in your cars, this oxygen sensor area, then it's good to replace this sensor, and it's very easy to replace, when we remove this exhaust pipe, and then of course we could maybe replace that in this engine area, but it's too easier to take in that position. And here we have this oxygen sensor, and this part measures these exhaust gases and vapors, and then it sends those messages to this car's computer. And here is the sensor, and in that area, in there is this hole where this sensor goes in that hole in here, in this way. Okay, and then installation back is similar. We insert these bolts in here, and then second bolt, and then tightening, we tighten and fasten these bolts. Okay. Okay, and this is this ideology how to replace this oxygen sensor. Okay, and thank you for watching this video.